It's been 1 year I purchased OLA scooter. It is a Volt fork arm and it doesn't have a screw fitted between the suspension rod and the fork arm as well. Now it's been replaced for free by a newer version of a front fork arm and fitted with a screw as well to the suspension rod and the front fork. They will not replace the suspension rod, they will only replace the front fork. This is a extra metal added to give more stability where it had the problem. After fitting the front fork, I have tested it by riding more than 10 km on uneven surface, bumpy road, path holes, and it was steady and really working great. I also have a cost details which they had it on the job card. I'll show how much it cost. It actually cost 3,500 for OLA to replace a front fork for each scooter. Let me display that breakup. In the breakup, for the front fork itself, it cost almost 3,147 rupees, and for other parts to fit the front fork, it cost 332 rupees in sum, and the service charges to replace it, it is a 398 rupees. Now I will show how to book. Open a OLA app and go to the user icon. On click of that, you will get a schedule now option. Here you have a two option. One, to get the service guy visit to your home and get it replaced. You can also select whichever the option you like, either going to service center and replacing it in the home. And if you for any of the option, you need to select your home address by clicking on the location and confirm the location and where the service person can visit and get it replaced. Once the confirmation is done, once you book the slot, you'll be displayed with the date and time and also a confirmation email which has the service request number, which is required at the time of replacement of your front fork. You had to give it to the service guy.